Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about double integrals. So now I will show you how to answer. We want to find the double integrals and we have the region in here. So the double integrals should be like this. So we have dy. So we do the integration of 4x squared and y squared. So the integration of number 4, we have 4y. The integration of s squared, you got about s squared y. Because they just suppose that this one just likely the constant. This one just likely the constant. That's why you got about 4 with y and s squared with y. The integration of y squared, you got about y to the power of 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1. And we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. So this one we have y to the power of 3. This one we have number 3. Now we put number 1 and number 0 in here. So I will put number 1 in here. Number 0 in here. Number 0 in here. And number 0 in here. This one you got about 4. This one you got about s squared. This one you got about 1 over 3. And now we just simplify like this. 4 minus 1 over 3. We got about 11 over 3. The integration of 11 over 3, you got about 11 over 3s. This one you got about s to the power of 3 over 3. And we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. So I will put number 1 in here, number 1 in here, number 0 in here, number 0 in here. So if we simplify this one, we got 10 over 3. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.